Baby, these cinnamon rolls got history behind them. Now, honey buns, I decided to make some old school lunch lady cinnamon rolls completely from scratch. But while I was standing over here fooling with this dough, I started wondering, why do so many grown folks still remember school cinnamon rolls? Because, baby, some of y'all don't forgot y'all teacher's name, but remember exactly what Tuesday lunch tasted like. Now, here's where it get interesting. The National School Lunch Program became permanent in 1946, and over the years, school cafeterias used standardized recipes designed to feed a whole lot of children at once. Baby, these recipes, we're not talking about serve sick. They were cooking for classroom hallways, teachers, coaches, probably the janitors too. And get this, old school quantity recipes actually include cinnamon rolls made in big batches. So yes, depending on your school and district, they were really lunch ladies back there mixing dough, proofing it, rolling it out, filling it out, and baking rolls. Meanwhile, I'm tired making one pan. Miss Lunch Lady has 75 kids waiting on her before 10:45 in the morning. Now, do y'all see this dough though? This right here is what I wanted. Soft, smooth, just a little tacky. I covered her up with a little yeast and got to work. And baby, look at her now. That dough said, I'm ready for lunch, period. And the first rise is the part of what gives you that soft, fluffy texture instead of the cinnamon roll built like a hawk. Now, baby, I done rolled her out into a big circle. You can do a rectangle however you like. I do however I can get it. And here's something that I love about cooking from scratch. When you make something like this, you start understanding why food behaves the way it does. Too much flour and the dough gets dry. Not enough time to rise and you lose that light pillowy texture. So when grandma said leave that dough alone and let it rise, she wasn't just fussing. She knew something. Then comes the part that nobody plays with: butter, cinnamon, sugar. And listen, don't get halfway across the dough suddenly becoming stingy. This is cinnamon rolls, honey bun. We came too far, okay? Now you're going to roll her up nice and snug. Not so loose that everything falls apart, but not so tight that when you squeeze the life out of the dough either, okay? Ooh, now this is what I wanted. This exactly right here, baby. You're going to have them layered. Get you some freaking string, and you're going to slice her perfectly so the doughs can come out just right. I put them in a pan. I let them rise, and this is probably my favorite part. So look at this. Like, look at this. Just nice. Maybe they don't moved in together. We're going to add some cream or 1 cup of milk. Perfecto. It's going to make it so soft. Pillowy. The milk is going to absorb into the cinnamon roll. And food like this is why recipe matters. One smell can take somebody right back to elementary school. Plastic trays, little mid-cart, lunch lady looking at you like you only get one. But you already know we ain't finna, because what is lunch lady cinnamon rolls without the icing running all down in those little cinnamon crevices? Ooh, child, and there she is. Honey buns, if you love recipes like this and you want to start making more food from scratch, grab a copy of my cookbook. The link is in the bio. Or comment cookbook and I'll get it right to you. Baby, I got plenty of these more homemade goodness waiting on you. And don't keep this video to yourself. Share with somebody who remembers these old school lunch lady cinnamon rolls, and follow me because we bringing back all these forgotten recipes. Now tell me in the comments, what school lunch should I recreate next? Because I got you.